Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best mulching lawn mowers that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. Also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Husqvarna Lawn Xpert LE322. We've tested a lot of mulching lawn mowers, but the Husqvarna Lawn Xpert LE322R is our favorite due to its convenient control panel, smooth speed adjustments, and excellent mulching capabilities with little or no clumping. It doesn't have multiple blades, but Husqvarna uses other factors like blade and cutting chamber design for efficient mulching, similar to our best push pick. This mower is designed for yards up to 0.5 acre in size, with the total runtime depending on the mode you use and other factors like your terrain. We tested it on a 0.31 acre yard with plenty of varying terrain and obstacles, including some slight slopes and mature trees, and finished with half the battery charge remaining. With that performance, we think this mulching mower is a great choice for yards that are a little over 0.5 acre or slightly smaller if you have a lot of slopes or hills to mow. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Hart 40-volt cordless self-propelled mower kit. If you have a smaller yard, this battery-powered mower from Hart provides mulching, side discharge, and bagging options for less than other similarly sized mowers. The deck is slightly smaller than our overall best pick, and the mulching performance isn't flawless, but they're both designed for 0.5 acre yards, and this one is typically priced about $500 less. We've used this mower for over 2 years in a smaller 0.1 acre yard with no reduction in quality or runtime. We have found that the battery provides enough power for the front or backyard, and not both, but you can pick up a second battery to double the runtime. The mower even has space to store a second battery on board. This is a self-propelled mower, which is a feature that's commonly associated with more expensive models. It's light enough, though, that we only switch it on for some assistance on slopes, which helps prolong battery life. The speed is adjustable too, which is perfect for setting a comfortable walking pace. At number 3, we have the Toro Recycler Mower with SmartStow. If you have a lawn that's relatively flat and not too big, we think you'll like the Toro Recycler with SmartStow. It uses Toro's recycler cutting system to crease especially fine mulch with a bagging option as well, and it folds up for compact storage when it isn't in use. We tested this mower on a small lawn less than 0.02 acres in size, and it worked well on flat terrain. The front lawn has a severe slope though, and we struggled pushing the mower back up. We also noticed that the deck got stuck on the incline when on the lowest setting, so we think this mower really is best for flat yards. We've tested several versions of this mower, including a battery model that's self-propelled and the gas version. It's our best gas pick. This one is priced the same as the gas version, but it's about $220 less than the self-propelled battery model. With that huge price difference, this one is an easy choice if you don't have any hills. If you do, then you'll wish you bought one with self-propulsion. At number 2, we have the Ryobi 13-inch 11-amp corded electric walk-behind push mower. This Ryobi mower provides a nice, clean cut with the option to bag or mulch, a strong electric motor, and convenient plug-in power. We tested it out on our 300-square-foot front lawn that's normally maintained by a yard service, and we were pleased with the smooth buzz cut it provided between services. The bag is very small. It filled up with one pass over our yard, but that isn't an issue when you run it in mulching mode. Using this mower in mulching mode is very easy and it works quite well. It comes with a bag and a mulching plug, so you can opt to slide the mulching plug into place when you first put it together, or swap between the bag and the plug at any time. With the plug in place, the blade is able to chop your grass up into fine particles. We think this mower is significantly more effective when used in mulching mode, since you don't need to worry about emptying the small bag. This is a small mower that relies on an extension cord for power, so we think it's best suited to smaller yards, but the low price tag, typically priced at least $400 less than our overall best mulching lawn mower, makes it an attractive choice for anyone looking to spend less money on yard maintenance. And finally, at number 1, we have the Ryobi Brushless 42. This zero-turn Ryobi model is our favorite mulching riding mower because it's ready to mulch right out of the box, technically right off the pallet, with 2 powerful blades, a highly adjustable cutting deck, and enough battery life to handle huge lawns. The joystick controls take a little getting used to. Cutting a straight line is tough at first, but we love how maneuverable this mower is, able to spin in place, move forward and backward without switching gears, and effortlessly maneuver into tight spots despite its large size. We tested this mulching mower out on our half-acre yard that we typically take about an hour to mow with an older gas riding mower. This mower is so fast and effective that it reduced our mowing time by about 40%, speeding through tall, wet grass and never slowing or bogging down. Despite that speed, we didn't notice any uneven spots or places where it failed to cut the grass evenly. If you ever feel you're moving too fast or too slow, you can adjust the speed with an easy push-button interface. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.